Hi guys. Today we're going to briefly discuss a simple MP3 player that I made in Python using the library PyGame. There's two reasons that I made it. One is because most music players that I've used in the past, if you randomize or shuffle or whatever that player calls it, your library of music, you can hear the same song multiple times before hearing the entire library. And to me, I feel like that's not very good programming. Let me get this mouse cursor off my forehead. As I think if you shuffle a list, you should hear the entire shuffled list. So on my player, I made it so you choose a directory with MP3s. It has to be MP3s. It's a simple MP3 player. And it'll search that directory and all subdirectories for any and all MP3s that are in them. And then it'll shuffle those, and it'll play from start to finish using that list. So if you close the app, it'll store the position that you're on as well as that list of songs. So even if you close and open the app, it'll still play from start to finish. And the second reason is a game that I play, Path of Exile, by Grinding Gear Games. Started this Path of Exile talent competition, and basically, can you make a Path of Exile themed content? I sure can. I'm pretty sure anybody could. You can win things like a t-shirt and some Path of Exile comic book signed by them, Chaos Orb keychain, and some other stuff. And basically all you have to do is submit this by Monday the 16th of January by 5 p.m. New Zealand time. It's easy enough. So I made my MP3 player themed to the Path of Exile's forums here. As you see, the little icon here came from the Atlas of Worlds logo. I took off like this little Atlas part here and made it into a kind of a play button. And so if we open our MP3 player, it forces us to choose a music directory if we haven't done so in the past. So this is only the first time opening. Well, or if you delete the path within the config file. So I've downloaded these MP3s from Path of Exile's website here, which is basically just background musics from different zones in Path of Exile. And being that these will be legal to play and not get my video muted, I'm going to use these for demonstration. So we'll go to my desktop here, and Path of Exile MP3s, and I'll just open the main directory, so it'll search all of these directories for MP3s. And here's what it looks like. You can see I took the little border here and the alternating gray and black, or gray and darker gray panels. This little header piece here right under the buttons, I took that off and put it up here. And then if we scroll down to the bottom, you see this little footer piece here. And I used GIMP, I think 2 point something or other, 2.8 or something, to shrink those down a little bit and do all of the graphic work for the app. And also the background here is the same background that I used. The text color is the same. And these buttons are pretty loosely based off of these buttons on the forums. You see if I hover over them, they get brighter just as they do here. And so let's get a little demonstration of the thing actually working. So I can hit play and it'll play Sarn Slums here. It's also up here. Tells you what song you're on. I wrote this little pane here so you can see like this little sticky thread is the current song. The one right above it would be if you hit the previous button, it'll play Shaper's Realm. If you hit the next button, it'll play the one below, Tormented Temptress theme. So this is volume control. And it does actually work. All of these buttons do work. See, it goes to Tormented Temptress. Pause it and play it, stop it, go back, etc. I can change directory. Let's say I only want to hear Atlas of Worlds songs. So that's how that works. Overall, I'm happy with the way it turned out. And if you like the app, think it's something you're going to use, enjoyed the video, got something out of it, please do like and subscribe. If not, feel free to don't. Feel free to not. Thank you for watching, and